This one is the bacon one. I think I just want the normal one. The normal kind with sugar. Guys, I'm gonna eat my donut. My donut now, guys. It's like eating in front of other people. The donut wasn't enough, so now I'm eating my dad's fried rice. But so this part I was watching offline TV, and their recent episode is really nice and it's really funny. They're trying to memorize their vegetables and fruits. So yep, I was watching the episode, and then I was also talking to my sister the whole day. I was trying to help her solve her situation. Yeah, it was a really weird situation, but I know it's gonna be fixed soon. So anyways, on to the video. So today I have this watercolor book, and this is a really useful watercolor book if you're looking for some techniques with gouache or watercolor. And it's a neat book to have if you're looking for ideas. So I recommend this book. So yeah. So this is our inspiration for today. This is what I was inspired by, and I saw it on Pinterest, and yeah, so trying to prepare the colors now. And yeah, this is just a speed paint, okay guys? Anyways, so in today's video, what am I talking about? Okay, so what happened today was last night I studied for my DMV. Yeah, so you can't even speak normally, but anyways, so last night I took my DMV. No, I studied for the DMV permit test again because I'm taking it for the third time. Can you believe it? The third time. Yeah, because the first 2 times, I didn't really learn how to drive. So right now I'm retaking it. No, I already took it. I took it this morning and I passed. So yay! Yay! Anyways, but finally, hopefully this time, well, not hopefully, this time I will learn how to drive. Yeah, let's do this. I don't know. But yeah, so that's where I am right now. I'm whispering so that no one can hear me vlogging. But anyways, yeah.